Twabanza kugamba na Didas Twijuke omushomesa hishemereri watumanyisa ngo abejo kukoraje kikaruga hamana go batire muka bashomesa nabejo benyine.
Abana aba tutukoma akubashomesa chonka kugira ngo omushomesa izashomese atwagende tweyongerayo twereza abana aba obuhereza ingashe chikweta extra services kaza remedios za seminars facilitations tureta examiners abo kusetinga
Ishemereri rikashamsabe jashatu na munana bona bizire mu result 1.
And out of the 38 students who sat UCE, all of them passed in grade 1 or kitwakwesera our new curriculum result 1. Sakuwa usomesa bona between bona ba degree kandi experienced teachers. Bogendo ikiro Karona library yeiti yone ijuire bitabu bogenda mu computer laboratory ijuire computers bana bido one on one.
Isomero yetu tukakora kurungi abana bitu bakakora kurungi exam bizere turi kurungi nisima basomesa nisima director mwebale kutuberaho
naba nisima na staff yona kukwatira hamu bakasomesa abana betu bakahika kurungi ebizamu bya senior 4 ebyo mwaka 2025 no tugurugwonka no mwaka 2024 rikayija kisize kurungi muno.
Abeje bamazire senior ya kana bakagarwa mu senior ya mukaga mu ishemereri nabo bahereze mu kugwire nabo basimira bashomesa babo.
What led to my success wasn't just my teachers, but because I have advanced teachers at this school. The library is full of books where we go and consult.
We had a conducive environment. Our school was having teachers who are well trained, qualified.
Premier City High School ni ishemereri ya hamusinje go buseramu kandi yakira madini gona omusini yo kubanza okusiyasene ya mukaga gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.